And she says, hello, Dr. Tyson, Dr. Lou, Lord Nice Gary. Trisha from Beaverton, Oregon here. If there really is life under the water of Europa, or one of the other moons, will there be any way for us to observe it without possible cross-contamination?
On the Europa Clipper mission.
NASA has an Office of Planetary Protection, and its primary goal is to make sure that cross-contamination does not happen. The number one most important thing is to make sure that our spacecraft don't crash, right? We want to make sure that their orbits are solid, that they have enough boosting situation. At the end of the mission, we dispose of the spacecraft in a way that will not contaminate any potential environments. This is what happened with both the Galileo space probe and the Cassini space probe around Jupiter and Saturn, respectively.
But we crashed Cassini purposely.
And we crashed Galileo purposely as well.
And did we?
But we crashed them into the atmospheres of Jupiter and Saturn.
In such a way that we know that they would all burn up?
Instead of
vaporized.
Landing somewhere and contaminating the space, they would all just be burnt up. But fortunately, that is not yet the case as far as we know in places like Europa. So once you make sure your spacecraft isn't going to crash, the next thing you do is you find remote sensing strategies. So for example, we can look through the ice on the crust of Mars to see what's down there. Right? So we can, in fact, do the same thing without landing something on there through things like the kind of radar that we use.
What crust of Mars are you talking about?
There's ice.
I mean, at the poles?
At the poles.
Oh, ice-penetrating radar.
In the same way that we have here, even our weather radar,
now, can
which
we see the big
clouds.
machine that melts the ice that made the former Martian atmosphere?
With the ice-penetrating radar, it probably won't see microorganisms, but if there's a macroscopic fish, it'll see it, right?
Let's say we do find beautiful blue whales or something, you know, or gigantic whale shark fish type things down there. What do we do next? Then the Office of Planetary Protection really has to think hard. Are we going to put a submarine, right, that goes down there? Do we want something that goes below the surface? And in that case, how do we protect the ecosystem?